There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Hey, divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know who it is. It's your favorite girl. Hey, what's up? It's time to slay. What's up, everybody? What's up? First of all, let me tell y'all something. I'm definitely on a roll today. When I say I am on a roll, girl, this is number 7 video of the day. When I tell y'all I'm on a roll, a girl is on a roll. I have had no bad luck, no bad wigs, no bad vibes, no bad energy, no bad mojo, hojo, whatever you want to call it, girl. Everything is smooth sailing over here, okay? Now, I saved this one for last because, you know, the best of the best of the best definitely gets last. HerGivenHair. We're about to really show out in this wig, y'all. They have the most natural looking wig ever when it comes to curly 3B, 3C, 4A, and they look so natural and amazing on Black women. This is the first time ever opening this box. I love the box. I love the way they wrap it. I love the bows. I love all that stuff. Who don't love a good box? And who don't love a good wig, girl? Okay. Comes just like this. And I don't even know why I'm yelling. I think, you know what? I always say this to you guys. I don't know why I be yelling. I think it's because I get excited. Speak to y'all, you know what I'm saying? Like, I really do get excited. And I love that for me. And I love me for y'all. And I love y'all for me. So I think that's the reason why I'm probably always yelling, because I know y'all can hear me. You also do get one of their books, which is great. It tells you how to care for your unit, product instructions. It also will come with one of their satin bags. So that way when you're done with the wig for the day, you can take her off and put her right in here. So let's see what she's looking like. This is a 3B to 3C type of curl. Does come with some extra combs in it. Now she also does come with a removable adjustable strap, which is this right here, and it also has the rubber gripping, and the color is really pretty. This wig is gorgeous. Look at this. It's one of those easy wigs. You definitely do not have to worry about lace cutting, parting. This is definitely get it on and go. Super duper nice. I love that this is bleached in the middle. I love that they put combs in the front, and there's also the slots on the side for the adjustable movable strap. There's also a adjustable strap in the nape, and girl, there's a comb. And let me not forget, because I know y'all be like, where's the security? Because some of y'all be needing that extra security. There's a drawstring, okay? These curls are actually really pretty. I love this, okay? I wanted to basically coil the curls how I do my own natural hair. So I do have my products on hand, and I'll just show you those as we go by and the video goes on. So we're gonna get into this. And yeah, ladies, let's just do this wig real quick and be about our business.
I'll lay you to rest in pieces. No picture on a t-shirt, like you never existed. I'm done being a victim. This my villain era, look out. I go hard for my heart, play with her, it go down. Now you blocked. Don't make a sound, don't wish you no harm, but I hope that no good come around. In my space, there's no cheaters allowed. I gave you my word. Try it again, you're gonna lose your girlfriend. The nerve to think I wouldn't disappear from your life. Boy, watch me. Cold-blooded. All this blue ice water in my veins. Memorial service in your name. Cold-blooded. Cold. Cold. Oh, you're trying to spin the block now. Oh, hell nah. Bring flowers to my job now. Oh, you realize what you lost now. Impression never stop now, but I'm way too good at goodbyes. Bet you thought grass was green on that other whole side. Guess what? I'ma help you decide. Tattooed on my tears, no, I swear that you won't catch me cry. Got no reasons left to rewind. I gave you my word. Try to get up, but you on a bench, do not disturb. To think I used to dream of being your wife. Cold-blooded. Boy, I'm cold-blooded. I'm cold-blooded. I am honest blue ice water.
Okay, y'all, so this is it. This was super easy. This is how I will curl my own hair, especially for the curls that just don't look that great. I will coil it with my fingers, and that way it'll just stay curled like that. I love that look. It stays really, really bouncy. And if you just allow it to air dry and don't like finger comb it or don't mess with it, it will stay like this, and it will also stay looking like it's wet. But I love this wig. It looks really, really pretty. I like the color a lot. When I coil my curls like this, they always come out really nice. It stays longer. It seems to help not with any frizziness or dryness, especially at the ends. That's where it's really most important. And these products that I use are super duper affordable. Like, you can get them just about anywhere. Okay. Yeah, of course, if you want it to be fuller, it could definitely do that. But I like the fact that it's a wig. You don't have to cut no lace. You don't have to glue nothing down. You put it on and go. And who don't like to just put something on and go? Like, ain't nobody got all day to be putting on a wig, fighting with the wig, and then getting the rest of the outfit together. That will take work out of a person. And girl, I don't know about y'all, but by the time that's all done, I'm tired and I'm ready to just stay where I'm at, which is home. Okay. But yes, girl, check out HerGivenHair. This came out cute. Now, all I do on the sides to give it more volume is just take my fingers and kind of like massage the root. Even though it's not root, it is root to me. Okay. And I just massage it ever so gently, not pulling any of the hair, not pulling my fingers through the hairs, but just basically massaging it very so slightly. You see what I'm saying? And it'll definitely get bigger. You can also just do like this, and it'll get big too. But if you just leave it and allow it to air dry, it will do just what it's supposed to, which is stay extra cute, baby, and then give you a totally different look. And if you want to switch it up, of course, let it dry, finger comb it, and give it that big fluffy look. This is an easy wig. I do believe I said 3A to 3B hair. I'll definitely link it below to make sure you guys know which one it is. But she came out cute. Okay, this is a real cute unit. Hello, HerGivenHair. Girl, the best of the best of the best. Okay, check the info box, check the description box down below. I'll leave everything that I used in this video along with the links and any other information that you may need. Stay Diva and Divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, and you definitely better subscribe. Because if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? You know what I'm saying? I love you guys. Let's meet up in the comments. Stay Diva and Divalicious. Stay safe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
So you can go, yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on